as our new music video shows, we can be convinced that Jehovah will always be with his people, no matter what we face.
You have been praying, you have been preaching, you have been loyal through everything. And though we don't see all the trials you face, know that Jehovah is seeing it all. So when you stand in front of court officials, you are not alone. Your example speaks to all of us, and Jehovah knows, for I am convinced that death, no life, no governments, that death, no life, no governments, that death, no life, no governments, that death, no life, no governments will separate us from God's love. For I am convinced, 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 for I am convinced. So please be convinced, please be convinced, oh please be convinced.
Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I will not do what you tell me. Motherfucker! Bing, bang, boom, bam!
That was excellent.
Oh, we know that song. We love that song. But have you ever stopped to meditate on the lyrics?